Steve at Autohauler Supply here, January 11th, Monday. Just want to give you an update on what we got coming in here. So I'm going to flip this camera around and show you what we got. Okay, this just came in last week from Peerless Chain Company. These are the real nice quick binder pluses here. I got these in the 5/16, 3/8, and 3/8 We got them on sale. I'm going to be posting some prices here later. But we got tons of these things. We got some of the regular quick binders. Got a few pallets of them. We got more stuff over here. Here's some round slings if you need that for your towing stuff. Then we got some of the big 1/2" by 5/8. I got like about a pallet of those. I got the 5/16, or I'm sorry, the 3/8 by 1/2, grade 70, grade 80, quick binders from Peerless, 5/16 by 3/8. And I got some more of these little red guys coming in. These are only $24.95. Got these on sale. They've been flying out the door. Got the green binders from the Fleed. We got these in 3/8 by 1/2 and 5/16 by 3/8. Those are real nice grade 80 binders. Got yeah, there's some more of the Peerless binders. Quick binders. Actually, that's a quick binder plus. And what do we got in here? Oh, those are the well-done flip-up plates. That's for the car hauler guys. We got one pallet of 1/2" grade 100 hammer locks there. Or I should say alloy couplers, because Hammerlock is actually a brand name of some other company besides Peerless. We got 3/8" grade 100 black chain. Got a few extra drums of that. Got some 1/2" grade 70. Got some 1/2" grade 100 in there. Got another pallet of 1/2" grade 100 alloy couplers. We sell tons of these. Got a bunch of the Durabilt tow stuff in. And this all is safety chains, V chains. Back behind there, you see we got some 10,000-pound Bobcat ramps and some load levelers for the other modular kit we got back there. I got tons of these here 1/2" grade 80 hammer locks. We go through these absolute mountains of those. So anyways, what else we got? Oh yeah. We got 1/2" grade 80 Peerless brand hammerlocks. Got about a 1/2 pallet of those. Got loads of these 8-point chaintail kits for the towing guys, and more of the towing stuff here. Here's my modular ramp kits with the load levelers and the ramp hangers and the weld-on pin mount brackets and everything. Oh, this just came in the other day too. I got a crate of stuff from Durabilt. Got these little puppies here. This is great for the towing guys and the auto hauling guys. Get a bunch of these type of hooks. All kinds of different types of hooks. TJ combos. Got these 8-inch Sport J V chain bridles. I got some of the ones with the big 15-inch J. Let's see, well done. I got a couple more pallets of 3/8 grade 70 binder chains, and here's of course all the auto hauling stuff. We got a bunch of these. These are made right here in Texas. Those D-ring lasso straps. Actually, these ones are O-ring lassos, 10-footers. We use those for the car haulers. We also got them in 8-foot D-rings. Got these things here too. More chain. More chain, that's 1/2" grade 100. More chain. Here's the last of the first batch I bought. We sold through about 1/2 truckload of this stuff. It's 3/8 grade 70. Anyways, we got some auto hauling stuff I want to tell you about. We got still got a few of these deals here. The 12-foot. This is the naked, which means there's no rubbers on it, no sleeve, no nothing. Some guys like it this way. This is 18,000-pound webbing before we put a needle through it. We got these with the DJ and double J wire hooks. We got these. I got 2 boxes left. Got probably about 40 of them. $7.25 while we got them in stock, and I got just 1 box left. I have these 2x10 wire hook ones, $6.69 a piece. And oh, yeah, there's only 4 in there, so better act fast. Those are gonna be gone. Then I got these for $11.27. These are 14-foot naked with a swivel J hook. These are really good value right here. So if you're somebody that you don't like a lot of rubbers and tread grab stuff getting you hung up when you're going up on the upper deck, this is not a bad way to go. Really nice, tough stuff. This is abrasion resistant. Again, it's 18,000 pound webbing before we put a needle through it, so that's good stuff. So your cost on that, $11.27 a piece. And it looks like I got about a half a pallet left of these 12-foot Ortec ones. These are again, it's the Tecnic webbing. It's got 2 swivel J hooks and 3 rubbers, and they got the little stoppers to keep them from flopping around too much. So I've got these for $12.95 a piece. Still got a few left of them. And then, yeah, I got some more back there. And then over here, the 14-foot wire hook, just like those ones we saw over there. The 10-footers, these are $7.83. Empty box. I got like 3 boxes left. So that's just a naked strap with, the 2 wire hooks on it. 18,000 pound webbing, the Tecnic webbing, abrasion resistant. And of course, if you need any kind of aluminum ramp, we got a whole bunch of them here. We got 10-footers. We got these little 6-foot pin-on ones if you're into that kind of thing. We got ones to fit Cottrell. We got some little bitty, shoot, I think these are 5-footers. We got ones down on here. These will fit Boydsons. We got the low profile ones here, 94 inches long, and they'll slide up under like a take-free Big Tex. I think we'll also receive them in. Those are $6.25 a pair, 5,000 pound per axle. Here's the regular ones. We sell piles of these. So like this pallet right here was full last week, so we got to probably get ordering some more here right quick. So anyways, if you're a tow guy, you'll recognize what these are. We go through piles of these. We got these just came in the other day. We got them for 1/2 inch and for 3/8 and for 5/16 1/4 inch. We got towing stuff out the wazoo. Some grade 80 towing stuff. Anyway, all the stuff you need, whether you know it or not, just give me a call, 866-855-4285, or visit us at autohaulersupply.com. Well, look, there's some bargain basement stuff. Looks like I got to do some, we got a few product returns here. We got a few odds and ends. So be looking for that. We'll probably be running some sales on that stuff right quick. And of course, we got plenty of ratchet handles here. We stitch them up right here, so we got loads of them. Whatever you need. Here's some of the diamond weave, low profile sleeve straps with a swivel J hook. Here's some of the high vis green ratchet strap assemblies with a low profile sleeve and the wire hook. Here's some of the old school rubber tread grab wire hook replacement straps. There's some of the naked ones. Just a strap and a wire hook. There's some of the rubbers, a few pallets of these. There's some black straps with a low profile sleeve on there. These are slick. There's some blue diamond weave. Ratchet wheel straps with a low profile sleeve. There's some with a wire hook, low profile sleeve, blue diamond weave. Comes with a ratchet handle. I got a bunch of naked straps. These are the ones that you just take and you just put unbolt your old hook, and you can just put your hooks and rubbers right on there, and it's a good cost-effective way to go. We got that in got it in the 14-foot and in the 12-foot. We make them up all the time. There's some more stuff that just came in. I know. Oh no, this is going out to one of our customers. Okay. I don't know what the heck this is. Oh, this looks like webbing that just came in. I don't know why it's here. It just is. Here's some of those new 14-foot short swivel J hook big orange straps. We had some of the bulk orange webbing right here in Texas, and we had some of the sleeves and stuff, so we thought, why not just stitch them right up right here. So looks like I got about a half a pallet of the 14s, and then I got about a half a pallet of the 12 foots left, and I'll be posting some prices up on that. So these are great if you got like a next gen trailer and you want a nice strong strap to replace your old straps with.